She doesn't want your money, not your looks, not even your words. She craves something far rarer, a man who cannot be broken, a man who owns himself. Because when the world cannot shake you, neither can she. And in that stillness, in that fire-forged silence, she will find a gravity she cannot resist. This isn't about seduction. It's about becoming so rooted, so damn unshakable, that the world starts orbiting you. We live in an age of noise, a world that rewards emotional chaos, impulsive desire, and fragile pride. But the Stoic walks another path, one carved not by the hand of others, but by the blade of his own discipline. We are not here to impress her. We are here to master ourselves. Epictetus said it plainly. No man is free who is not master of himself. And when you live this truth, when you are no longer ruled by anger, lust, fear, or the need for validation, you become the rarest kind of man in the modern world. A man with inner gravity. Most men chase her attention. They fold at the first sign of rejection. They inflate at the first compliment. But the Stoic neither chases nor flees. He remains anchored, aware, awake. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Let her moods rise and fall. Let the world test you. Let fate twist the plot. You are not here to react. You are here to remain. We do not seduce. We attract. Through presence. Through principle. She cannot help but draw near to the one man who doesn't need her to feel whole. Because what woman can ignore a man who is unmoved by drama, unshaken by temptation, untouched by the chaos or craving? He becomes her mountain, and she, the wind that brushes his face. You see, most confuse masculinity with dominance, but the Stoics understood. True masculinity is restraint. It's strength hidden beneath silence. It's power without noise. Seneca warned, "No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself." So we embrace the struggle. We let hardship carve out our character. We allow pain to forge us until we can sit in fire and not flinch. And in that fire, she sees the truth. You are not like the others. You do not beg. You do not bend. You do not lose yourself to gain her. And it is precisely because you do not need her that she will burn to be yours, but not out of possession, out of reverence. You lead not by control, but by the quiet, relentless power of a man who has mastered his emotions, conquered his vices, and lives not to impress, but to embody virtue. So do this. Silence your need. Discipline your mind. Harden your spirit. Walk the path of the Stoic, not because it is easy, but because it is the only way to become a man in the world, and she cannot ignore it. This is not about her. It never was. It's about you and who you become when no one is watching. Let her be drawn to the man who is already complete. Become that man, and she will do anything to be your woman.